In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Nepali, 2026 full guide. If creating high-quality local language content, translating complex documents, or simply communicating comfortably in your native tongue has felt like a second job, this is for you. In 2026, ChatGPT supports major South Asian languages natively, which means smoother interfaces, better context, and far more natural outputs. I'll walk you through configuring your account, enabling a Devanagari keyboard, crafting prompts with cultural context, trying real-time voice responses, and setting up a simple tracking system end-to-end in Nepali. Let's begin by updating your ChatGPT interface so the app aligns with Nepali by default. Open the official ChatGPT website, head to your user dashboard, and click your profile icon in the bottom corner. Open Settings, choose the General tab, and find the language menu. Select Nepali, Nepali. This does more than translate buttons. It helps the overall experience match local expectations and prepares the workspace for Nepali inputs and outputs now. Make typing in Nepali effortless. Install Gboard from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store if you don't have it yet. On your phone, open Language and Input Settings. Tap Gboard, go to Languages, choose Add Keyboard, and pick Nepali. Gboard lets you switch instantly between English, Devanagari, and a romanized transliteration layout by tapping the globe icon. Use Devanagari when you want fully native script, and switch to transliteration if you type faster phonetically. With input sorted, it's time to get results that feel truly local. Basic translation prompts can sound stiff or overly literal. Instead, anchor your prompt with role and tone. For example, try, act as an elite local linguistic expert and professional Nepali content writer. Review the following text, translate it smoothly into natural conversational Nepali script, Devanagari, that maintains an authentic cultural rhythm, completely avoids robotic literal formatting, and structures the final output into a clean markdown table. You can also add audience, domain, or formality to guide style. If you want to hear how it sounds, use advanced voice mode in the official mobile app. Open your current thread, tap the sound wave or microphone icon, and grant microphone access. Speak in Nepali, and ChatGPT will respond out loud with natural cadence, great for practicing pronunciation or reviewing long passages without eye strain. For best results, speak clearly in a quiet space. Finally, keep your content organized. In Notion, Excel, or Google Sheets, ask ChatGPT, act as an advanced data localization engineer, generate a clean validation table template that I can copy straight into my personal workspace. Include mandatory tracking columns for English source text, romanized phonetic phrasing, native Nepali script, and contextual tone check, formal, informal. Below the table, provide 3 practical tips on catching typical AI translation grammatical anomalies before publishing. That's it. Offload the heavy lifting to ChatGPT and focus on creating meaningful, culturally precise Nepali